Indonesian government came into force at the beginning of June. It lasts for 3 months. Are you happy with the way the ceasefire is being carried out?
We are not satisfied with the result because the Indonesian army and police keep on intimidating my people. As a result, the international aids cannot be delivered to the needy Acehnese.
Your movement is fighting for independence for Aceh, and President Wahid's government in Jakarta has offered you more autonomy. Can you envisage accepting a greater degree of autonomy rather than full independence for Aceh?
What we want is total independence. Aceh was an established state since 1500 until the Dutch invasion on Aceh on 26 March 1873. It is the case of decolonization and self-determination. Holland failed to discharge her responsibility as a colonial power. And the United Nations will to do something to help the independence of Aceh.
Your aim is to create or recreate an independent Aceh, which would be a monarchy ruled by your family again. Do you think that the form of a monarchy is still relevant to the modern world?
Certainly, it is still relevant, and especially for us, to our history. The state of Aceh we are establishing is a successor state. There is no problem about it. In Europe, as well in Asia, there are many constitutional monarchies, states accepted by their people.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.